Every day, I have a choice to make when I wake up. Will I strive to be the best version of myself today? Growing up, I had a summer job with a timber company painting boundary lines. Sometimes my friends wanted me to go to the lake with them, and my dad would say, "Son, you have responsibilities. Work comes first." It was an important lesson and one I apply every day as I work to fulfill the responsibilities I have for all the people in my life. After all, they are what matters most to me. Will I work to make their lives better? Will I contribute? Will I do something I can be proud of? Will I show up? Will I work hard? Will I stay safe? Luckily, it's an easy choice for me because I'm part of something special. The largest and safest plywood and timber mill in North America. It's not just a job, it's a place for me to contribute the best of who I am to a team. A team doing important work because what we do matters. I was raised to take pride in my work, and I do. I'm proud of this team and what we do here. This team is like family to me. No, we are family. We excel when we take pride in our work. We need to show up, work hard, and stay safe. I'm Jeremy Burford, and I'm Plywood Proud.